So I finally got my Fabfitfun summer box. So I'm going to go ahead and do the unboxing for that. This is what it looks like. This one's actually a decent sized box. It's got like really pretty colors. And then I probably should have cut this before I started filming. So give me just a minute to get this off. Okay, well, I'm just going to rip it because I can't get into it and I don't normally reuse these boxes. There we go. Okay, so the inside is like this. You get some stickers and magazine, a $15 off thing you can give to someone. These are like super cute little stickers. Then you get the book that tells you about the different items. So the first thing in here is the Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier Electrolyte Drink Mix. 1 stick multiplier hydration. It says it has lemon, lime, strawberry, and watermelon. I am interested to like try this, but I've seen some people say that it was awful. So I'm gonna try it, but we'll see. Like, I'm definitely interested because I have seen it on quite a few people's channels. But have you guys tried this? If you have, let me know in the comments like what you thought of it. The next thing in here is the Mented Blacker Berry Liquid Lipstick. So it's like this deep red color. I ended up choosing this one because they are out of the nudie one. So I'm excited to try this. I'm not sure if it's going to be like this deep on, but I will definitely have a review for this on the blog. The packaging feels super nice. It's like really smooth. So I will definitely have a review for that one if you want to check out my blog. The next thing that I have in here is the Barefoot Scientist Smooth Things Over Pedicure File. So I can't say that I've ever had a pedicure file, but it feels, I'm interested to try this. I might actually do a review on this one. It's pretty rough, so I feel like it actually would work fairly well. I don't really want to rub it on my hands too much, but I think I might actually review this. So that's another thing that you guys can check out on the blog. Because I've never had one of these and I'm interested to try it. Next up in here are these reusable makeup swabs. So I've been interested to try these. It says it comes with 2 swabs and a carrying case, and the tips are made of silicone. Really want to try not to tear the box because this might be another thing I can review. But it's really hard to open. I don't think I have a choice but to tear the box on this one, so. Okay. So this is what the little case looks like. And then you slide it open. I'm just dropping everything. Oh, it's like a spring. Okay. So then here are your little swabs. They feel really nice, so I'm interested to see how they work. There's a pointy one and then just like a normal one. So I definitely am interested to see if these are good. I've heard some people say they like them, and then I've heard other people say they hate them. So I feel like it's very hit or miss. The next thing I have in here, I'm excited for these. So these are some of the blue light glasses. These are Nectar. So they come with like this cute little pouch. And then they are a cool like tortoiseshell color. And they're blue light glasses. So these are something I'm super excited to try at work because I'm on the computer all day. So this is what they look like. I'm sure you can see the light reflecting. I'm sorry about that. They fit really nicely. They don't feel like they're gonna fall off, so I'm like super excited to try these. I had a coworker that had them and she loved them, so definitely gonna give those a shot and see if they work. The next thing that I have in here is this Ico London Double Act Shadow Stick with Sharpener. It smells like a pencil sharpener, first of all. So I've got this little sharpener here. I do appreciate that it has like the top bit that collects stuff, so that's a cool thing. It's got this liner. Really liner? Did I say liner? It's got this shadow. I don't know why I said liner. That one's called Cookies, and then it's got one called Cream. I have never used a shadow liner, or I can't talk tonight. I've never used a pencil eyeshadow, so I'm definitely interested to try it, but I'm not so sure about it. I will let you guys know on the blog what I think about that one. The next thing in here I'm very excited for is the Tarte C Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost. And it is, I'm so excited because it is a full size item. If you guys don't know, I used to get Ipsy and Birchbox, so those are sample sizes, so I'm really excited to get a full size of this. I haven't used this one, but I'm definitely going to try it and do a review. It's got this little thing in it. Ooh, it looks really jelly, so I'm really excited to be testing that. So I will definitely let you guys know what I think of this one. Next up, I have these. So these are, oops, that's really loud, sorry. So these are activity books. So it has like word finds, like puzzles, all kinds of things like that. I think they're both very similar. So these will be fun to just kind of like play around with. So that'll be nice to do. And then I think this is the last thing in here. I got this cool blanket. So this is like an outdoor blanket or something like that, I believe. Okay, it is the Society 6 picnic blanket. It includes a carrying handle for easy transportation. So I guess it has like Velcro and just kind of like wraps up into itself. But it's actually quite a nice size. That's an amazing size. Like, it's quite a big blanket. I don't even have it all like open yet. So this is like super cute. And I feel like I could actually use out of this. This part of it is like a waterproof, I'm assuming, side. And then it's got the soft side for you to sit on. So I think this is like super nice. I'm pretty sure I will get use out of it. And I'm really excited about this box. Let me know if you guys have tried any of this stuff and what you think of it. And let me know if you enjoyed these videos. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you guys later. Bye guys!